Hello friends and welcome to my new channel Junior Coding World. So in this channel of mine I'll be saying how to do programming for juniors, and first I'll start with Scratch, which is a very popular programming for juniors. It's mostly used for ages 6 to 16, but nowadays most of the people use it. So let's start. So to know about Scratch desktop, this is Scratch desktop. So to know about Scratch, you first have to know about the sprite. So I'll just go to choose a sprite. There are all sprites, animal sprites, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters. And you can also search for the sprites. So I'll just search dance. So I got these many dance sprites. So I'll take Champ 99 and I'll just delete my this cat sprite. And you can also make your sprite unseen by pressing on this icon. So it's unseen and now it's seen. I'll just decrease the size. You can decrease its size too. I'll make it 57. Yeah. And you can change this direction like doing this. So I'll just make it come in its normal direction. Okay, yeah, 96. So this is choose sprite and now paint sprite. For paint sprite, you can paint a sprite just like this using a paintbrush. Paint sprite, these options you will get in the paint app in computers and laptops. So I'll just do it like that. You must you might you must know how to paint, so I won't say much details about painting because you must know what's painting, because paint everyone uses that app. So if it's a closed figure, then only the you can use the can option, means the paint can. So this is how you paint. You can change color from this one. So like this, and change color. So now for right now I need this sprite only. So next is surprise sprite. So surprise sprite is nothing but surprise sprite means the computer from the choose sprite, all sprites are there, like many sprites are there. The computer will choose a random sprite by itself and give it to you. So first is beetle, jar, and heart. Now let's see what now microphone. So these are all random sprites, but for now I need Sam 99. So now let's go to backdrops. Backdrop is nothing but the back area, means the scenery which is behind your sprites, which are the main thing. So choose a backdrop. All fantasy, music, sports, outdoors, indoor, space, underwater, and patterns. I need dance because my sprite is a dance character. So DANCE. So spotlight. This looks good. Now I'm going to say you what is paint backdrop. Paint backdrop is again the same thing, just like painting sprites. You just have to paint, 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 paint. So I'm not going to say you that. You already know painting. And now surprise backdrop. Again, the computer will choose any random sprite from the choose sprite, all sprites. Any random. Space jungle. Looks like a creepy jungle. Bedroom theme. So these are the surprises ones. So now I want you to focus on, yeah, okay. Um, okay, yeah. So now I want to focus on. Now I want you all to focus on code, which is the most important thing of Scratch. See, this is sounds which I don't want you to understand right now, and this is code. So code first, I'm going to talk about events. Events is the main code because with event blocks only you start the full programming. So I'll just bring a motion block which is move 10 steps. So for code, I want you to remember these two important icons, which is the green flag and this red icon, which is for stop. So this is when clicked green flag. It's written over here. So click green flag. Let's go in 10 steps. And this is when space key is pressed. You can choose any key, like any of these keys. Numbers are there, letters are there, and then up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, and any means you can like press any key on your keyboard. So let it be space. I like this one the most. I use this mostly, but these two even blocks do the same thing, and this one also. Like most of the even blocks together, like most of the even blocks which are together do the same thing. So space, space, space. It's going like that. So now we can change the steps thing. So I just want to be 20 steps, 24 steps. Yeah. So it's going more distance, as you can see. Now I make it even more, like a lot more. Then you'll see the difference actually happening. See, 67. That's a lot distance. And now look at this. Now I'll see 100. 100. See, so fast it's going. And now I'll say about the other motion blocks. So just turn 15 degree towards the right. So it goes like that. And now 15 degree towards the left. So it's like that. And if you do both of them, doesn't matter, like this. So like you put both of them like this, or you put both of them like this, same, it will stay in the same position because it goes right and then left the same degrees. The position won't change. Even if it goes left and then right the same number of degrees, the position won't change. But now see, I'm pressing space, nothing's happening. But now if I do it 24, now some position will change. See, and if I put it 24, this one too. So 24, again nothing's changing. So I'll just want it to be 12. No, it's 15 actually. Okay, yeah, fine, let just be like that. So I just want this one. Yeah. So I'll just change this direction to 90 degree again. Yeah. So this is what it does, and all the blocks which are white over here, and if you bring your cursor over here, this line appears. You can change that number whatever that block is meant for. So this was the end of my first video. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and also share this video with your friends and leave a comment if you want to write anything. Subscribing is the most important thing actually. So about looks and sound blocks, I'll be saying in my next video, which will be Scratch Programming Part 2. So next video I'll be saying about looks and sound blocks and controls, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks I might not say in this video because these blocks are a bit high level. I will say it later in some of my videos, but not soon because these are for some, well, like when you come to a high level. So bye bye and meet you in my next videos where I'll be talking about sound and looks blocks followed by the even blocks because these blocks start everything. So bye.